October Jonez Experience.
Alright, let's get the test version of October Jonez Experience.
Hey y'all,
Hey
what's
Google,
up?
what's the story behind the album?
Well, the creative process started for going to Atlanta at my boy's trap, RIP Drew Bands. He was playing me a few beats
Hey
that
Google.
he had been cooking up.
Help.
I can either tell you about Save Yourselves for a creative process, the challenge behind the song, or play the song from the album.
Hey Google,
So let me know.
what do you do if I say a bunch of random stuff?
Hey, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't that high speed, so you're gonna have to say something a little bit more simple, like story, challenge, or a song. Let me know how you feel.
What was a challenge on the album?
I think a real challenge during Lois Lane 3 is literally I wanted to feel like Michael Jackson with a live band. So I had to like position those drums, the little kick bass and everything to the right part of the song and frequency so I could feel like Michael Jackson stage front with the band on the side of him and the drums behind him just going in. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. You just heard me talk about the challenges I faced making Lois Lane 3. You can still hear a song from the album or the creative process. Let me know what it's going to be.
Goodbye.